Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Importance of Plants and Trees. So, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Oral Communication Skill, we are going to learn to express needs. Before this, in your Unit 5, I have taught you how to express your needs. I hope you remember this lecture. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to express needs. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Fatir, verse 15, O mankind, you are those in need of Allah, while Allah is the free of need, the praiseworthy. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. This beautiful verse is telling us about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah does not need anything. Even if we do good things, if we do good deeds, that is good for ourselves. So we need many things, but Allah does not need anything. That's why, and whatever we need, what should we do? We should make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that Allah, we need this, kindly give this to us. And you know, whatever we get is with the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Right, beta? So whatever you need, you should make dua for that. Good thing. So now you tell me, what do you mean by need? I have taught you in Unit 5, I hope you remember. And how do you ask for something you need? If you need something, how do you ask for it? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have mentioned and you remember that need means something essential, means a must in a certain condition. Okay, need means, beta, for example, you are hungry. What do you need? At that time, you need food, because food is something which will fulfill your need. And if at that time you get many things, but there is nothing to eat, it means still you need something to eat. So need is something which is a must in a certain condition. Like at this time, what do you want? Okay, I need food. All right, so how do we ask for need? We ask politely. And we know the polite words, please, and in a decent manner for something we need. Okay, so we should not forget our manners in any situation. Okay, if you are very hungry, say, please give me something to eat because I'm very hungry. But don't make faces and don't be upset, don't be angry. Okay, so this is how we ask for something politely. I need a house to live in, right? Because house is a need. If we don't have house, where will we live? So I need a house. I need clothes to wear. Clothes are also our need. I need food to eat. Now, my dear children, I want you to look at this example. All the time we don't need food. We need food only when we are hungry. So at that time it becomes our need. I need water to drink. It is also one of the basic needs. Without water we cannot survive. So whenever we are thirsty, we need water. I need air to breathe. Now look at this. Air we need every time, because if we don't have air, we cannot breathe. So even we are sleeping, we are walking, we are talking, whatever we are doing, air is our need. So this is what a need is. Do you understand? Okay. So all of you open your book on page number 71. Here is a dialogue which we are going to practice through an activity. Teacher will divide class in small groups and assign each group a character with a need to express. Okay, every child will express a need and each group will present in front of class how they will express their need. So this is a dialogue which is given in your book. You may follow the same or you can create your own scenario. But teacher, I request you, make every child to express need and make sure the child understand the meaning of need. So pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now all of you settle down, go back to your seats and it's time for your homework. You will make a list of things we need in winter. Okay, so be careful. There are many things without which we cannot survive in winter. So think about that and make a list of that. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we have learned to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express needs. So we achieved our SLO to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express needs. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.